Hi learner, I hope you are doing well. And today we are learning about once again a very prominent personality. Can you guess who is this? It is Thomas Nace. He was an important English writer during the Elizabethan age. So do you know what was the Elizabethan age? Why it was famous? So it was the literature and drama age. There were written many dramas, plays. This age was famous for great writer like William Shakespeare, who wrote plays like Hamlet, Romeo and Juliet. Christopher Marlowe and Edmund Spenser were also popular. And one more thing, the theater became public entertainment in this age. And he was born in England and studied at Cambridge University. He is called one of the university wits. So do you know the meaning of wits? Who is known for his intellectual verbal. So yeah, he was very intellectual for his for expressing his emotions, what he's carrying, and he brought out through the words. A group of smart writers who made English drama and prose better before Shakespeare became famous. So he was the one. And let's know about the Thomas Nace writing. So first English novel, his book The Unfortunate Traveller, is seen as one of the first novel in English. It tells the funny and wild adventures of a young man named Jack Wilton who traveled across the Europe. As well as he wrote plays and poems. He wrote a play Summer's Last Will and Testament and helped Christopher Marlowe and write Dido. Queen of Cathares, he also wrote poems. Apart from that, he wrote pamphlet. Nace was famous for satirical pamphlets like Piers Penniless. So here we will break down. I will break down the word satirical. Satirical is a stand for the writer or a person use this term to making any situation, any condition more hilarious, funny, and present the situation with the funny and witty way, or critic or criticize it hilariously. So in this he used humor and sharp word to attack bad habits of society and other writers. Why he was important? So he was known for his style of writing. So his writing was fast, lively, and full of jokes. He used many new words and made English prose modern and interesting for the reader. Influence. His style of comedy and wordplay influenced later writers, including Shakespeare. Picture of society. Through his works, he presented the Elizabethan age and times like crime, travel, poverty, and fun. So Thomas Nace was a bold and witty Elizabethan writer. He gave us the early English novel, sharp satire, and new style of writing that made English literature more exciting and interesting for the reader.